check out Natural Beauty No Products. You can get it on the Body-Culinary.com website. Greetings, this is Body-Culinary and coming to you with freshly washed Locs. So there are no products in here. I did rinse with diluted cider vinegar, and I like the feeling of my hair when it's light without the oil. I don't like the feeling of the oil in my hair, but I do notice the more that I'm out in the sun and in the garden that it's almost like getting bleached by the sun. So it may look like it's buildup, but there's no buildup here. It's like it's really, really clean, and I rinse it often with water. So it's like nothing. And I do have to be careful of things from the garden. I'm not sure cut my hair up more in the garden, but of debris or stuff on this hair getting caught up in my hair from the garden. So some people consider my hair it's super fine, but 4C. So I don't like to limit my hair to categories, but it doesn't really grow with the loc. I started off with cultivated locks, and now I'm just not in the mood for any products or a bunch of twisting, so we'll see how it comes up. But when it dries, it's light. I do feel like it definitely gets denser and heavy from twisting. I used to put a lot of beads and cowrie shells, which I love, but it doesn't seem that my hair likes a lot of handling at all. So some of them are super skinny, and I'm sure at some point they're going to break off. So I'm in constant acceptance mode with my hair, but the sun makes my hair so light. There's no products in my hair. And I haven't used any products in my hair since, and it's been locked. It's been locked about a little over 2 years. So there's some skinny ones that are joined, that I joined together. Very few. Yeah, so it seems that my hair is so thin and fine that most likely it's going to be flat. They're going to be flat locks. So I don't really know totally what this is going to look like. I do know I want carefree, clean, simple hair that's light and easy, and that's not going to get heavy and way down on my scalp and make my scalp thin out, my hair thin out before it's time. My hair is not very dense around the hairline. It's interesting to look at here. It looks like I have a lot of hair, but I don't. It's not very dense at all. It is very fine. So there's some of my locks that are so skinny and fine and compact. I'm sure some of it is from putting beads on it, but it's just so thin, and my hair was so fine. I used to do double strand twists, but this is so thin. And the areas where the beads were is a good example. I mean, I'm like, this is gonna break off eventually. So it's constant, and this is a double one. You can see actually there's still a twist pattern with this one joined together. So, but I can tell that it's going to be most likely flat. So there's absolutely nothing in my hair, no oil, no nothing. It feels nice and light. It does get to be, my hair's already like a kind of brownish color, and definitely not black, and it only seems to lighten more and more by the sun. So I want free and easy. I don't want to spend a lot of time with my crown, although I do like taking good care of my body with my food and movement and being in the garden. It's not that time anymore to be doing a whole lot of detangling and stuff. I'm just giving in to letting the hair do what it does. So it's going to be skinny. It is going to break off. We'll see what it does. I mean, I've had a baldy little haircut many years ago. I've been natural since about 1989, 1990. So we'll see. So I guess this not twisting would be semi-freeform. I don't know how much of them are going to grow together, but my hair does have a tendency to get locked together very fast. So it's interesting when it's clean, you can't see sheen in there. I just don't want any buildup. There was a time back in the day I used to use Dr. Bronner's diluted, and now I'd like to get to the point where I'm just using tea or anything. So as soon as my hair dries, it just gets this really sandy color. And it was a time when here in Central America, the water, especially when I was bathing in the creek, when I was out in the bush, it felt really good. My hair and skin felt fantastic with zero products, but it did start to leave what appeared to be a film or a buildup. And for a long time, I couldn't tell what it was. It took me a while to realize what it was. So this is Body-Culinary. You can let me know how your hair journey is going and how your hair feels without products. I've actually gotten used to, when folks say dry, that it's a different frame of reference. No oil, because it feels extremely soft with no conditioner or anything in it. So I'm just kind of just exploring it. It just doesn't really need anything. So I just want to do what it does naturally, so I can put more time into the garden and preparing my food. So this is Body-Culinary. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Check out the food hauls and the Sister Butterfly and Sister Monkey series. Sister Butterfly and Sister Monkey learn to eat better. Follow their politically incorrect adventures in the garden as they discover cashew fruits on the cashew, sweet potato greens, groundnuts coming out of the ground, and all other kinds of fun stuff. Body-Culinary.